Well, hi folks. Well, I'm really excited. I'm putting the final touches on my studio. I'm really excited about moving forward with some exciting news that I have for you. If you've noticed that we've been a little lax on the videos, posting the videos, but that's all going to change soon. We'll always be posting videos on YouTube, but what we're really excited about is our building of a new website, new online classes. I'm really excited because I think I'm offering something that's not out there, which is really old school, traditional methods of upholstering and starting really from scratch and building skills from there. And what we're going to be doing is offering 8-week classes. We're going to have 4 apprentices in here, and they're going to be doing 4 different projects. And you're going to see me work with people who are newbies, who are just new to the game. And we've been getting an overwhelming response with these newer videos that we've been doing, the A to Z's. And we're really excited to be offering that on an online class. And trust me, it's going to be reasonable. And what I'm trying to do is develop relationships with everybody out there to make you guys the best upholsterers you can possibly be on a shoestring. So I'm not going to be promoting you going out buying tools and things like that. I'm really going to focus on the instruction. And our 4 people for 8 weeks will help that. Now, in unison with that, we're going to be offering another class, maybe with more advanced people. And we're going to be showing you how they've developed their skills. And then we're going to be offering maybe a 3rd class, which I'm really excited about. And that's for anybody out there who's really thinks that they're maybe on the verge of opening up an upholstery shop and maybe going out to teach. I trust me, I think you can teach if you've got like 6 years, 7 years under your belt of continually upholstering and then maybe watching my videos. I'm going to teach you how to teach, and you can do your local adult ed. There's so many opportunities out there for people. So I'm really excited and moving forward. Just keep tuned and be patient. I'm finished final touches on this studio, and I can't wait for it to all start. So for all of you who have been enjoying our YouTube videos, our free YouTube videos, those are always going to be there because we really love doing that. And you can continue watching those and you don't have to go to the website. But I encourage you because the website's going to show a little bit more of a breakdown in the steps, and there's going to be a huge focus on stretching material on that, and we're bringing the process, we're breaking it down so that you're going to be able to understand it a little bit more by watching other people learn how to do it. So we're really excited, but those YouTube videos, man, we love those, and we love our subscribers. And by the way, please subscribe if you haven't. So as far as time frame, I'm looking at early summer to get all this rolling, and we can't wait to see you all online. Thanks.